Hey, what's up YouTube fam? Billy here, and we got an actual modification for my car. I know, it's crazy, right? So, we're going to put something on this bad boy. But what we're going to do today is change these side markers out. So, I'll hit what we'll do is we'll go in here and hit the hazards. And it's just a clear plastic with an amber bulb in there. And with these things having the sequential turn signals and then the LED strip and the headlights being blacked out, I figured adding a smoked out LED strip turn signal side marker would be a good modification to flow along with the lights that I'm going to have. So I have the front smoked, the sides will be smoked, and eventually I'm going to get the matching VLAN smoked taillights. Alright, now that we got the tape off, we can just lift this up. Oh, that's so sweet. Let's go ahead and peel this one off. Oh yeah, that looks so good. You know, I don't know how well I can reflect on camera, but let's go ahead and put it on, take the old one off and put this one in. What you're gonna do, you're going to take your fingers here, put your pointer finger here, just pop it out, nice and slow, and then just pull that out. Now we take the new one, plug it in, snaps in. Exact thing for the reverse. And it's in. So that's super easy. Now let's see if it works. Actually, I can just... Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. That's a big help to this channel. I think we're like one sub away from 200, so that's a huge milestone for me. I've been going at this for just about a year and a half, 2 years. I know I don't post regularly, which I will get better at this. And thank you for sticking with me, and can't wait to do more modifications to this car, my brother's truck. You know, we'll see what else we can get into. A couple other friends have their ralliart, so maybe they'll let me film stuff when they get stuff in for theirs. So, like I said, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.